I'm going to walk you through finding the source for different web pages in different browsers, starting off with Firefox. And we're going to talk just a little bit about classifying them. And I urge you in general, whenever you're looking at a web page or a website, especially as you're going to be beginning to create your own things with creating your own blog and you're creating your own wiki, you're going to be really start to look at web pages in a different way. So take, for example, Google. And with any web page, you can do this. Go to View, and then to Page Source. And a text document is going to open. And now taking a look at this, it would look at first glance like it's a pretty simple code. But notice down here that rather than being a scrolling up and down, it's actually scrolling left to right. And look at all of this. And I'm still going, still going, still going. And this could also just be a function of opening up in Firefox. But I want you to take a look at the type of code here. And you'll notice some of the big ones, like right here at the beginning. Remember the HTML tag and the head tag and the meta tag. And you can see here in purple in that weird color, that's the beginning of tags. You can see a body tag, and there's a color tag. But there's a lot of these other things right here. Like take a look at the load, false, remove, in event listener. And to be perfectly honest, I'm not really sure what those do. I would rank this as a fairly complex website, which is very interesting. If you take a look at the front end of Google, the front page of Google, you wouldn't really suspect there to be that much complex coding back behind there. I was originally going to classify this as semi-complex, but after taking a look at it a little bit longer, I moved to complex. So that's an example of one. And I'm going to switch from Firefox and Google, and we're going to take a look at Safari. Here's the NC State website. Just want to take, again, go to the View, go down to View Source. It opens up a text document. Now, one thing you're going to notice right here is how it's formatted a little bit differently. And I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and tell you I would classify this as a semi-complex. Safari doesn't give us the nice colors that Firefox did to help the tags jump out. But look, there's our HTML, there's our head, there's the meta tags. You can see, just in general, it looks fairly organized, which is kind of interesting when you think about this website. So I would say that's a pretty semi-complex. And there's the NC State website. And I also want to show you, where's my Chrome? This is Google's Chrome browser, and this is the College of Education's Ning. If you don't know what Ning is, it's a website that lets you create your own social network. This is the social network for the College of Education at NC State. And if you go in Chrome, it's a little bit tricky. You have to go to View, Developer, and then there's your view source. And the tab will open. And the first thing I do when I look over, my first impression is that in general, this is fairly organized. I like the numbers over here that show me this, but I look over here at the right and see how small the scroll bar is. This is a pretty intense page. This is definitely quite a complex site. However, if you know whoa, that's a lot of code right there. If you know what goes into a Ning, it will make a little bit more sense. If you look right here, there are many interactive parts on this page, pulling images and media from different places. So you can probably have guessed that this is going to be a Ning or a social network. We'll have quite a bit of HTML code or coding in general in the background to help make it run. I hope this will help you in general be able to, number one, feel confident to go take a look at the source code and also of web pages that you go to see, and also help you classify code, because it's really going to help you wrap your mind around your burgeoning web development and web design skills.